Welcome, welcome, everybody, to another episode of AI Unlocked. I'm your host, Emmanuel, and as always, I'm here with the brilliant Melody.
Hey, Emmanuel. Hey, everyone. So, look, let me just jump right in with a question. Have you ever asked an AI for a recipe, say for, I don't know, some classic mac and cheese, and it gives you a great one,
Yeah.
but then maybe 5 minutes later you ask it again and it gives you a completely different recipe?
Oh, all the time. One minute it's telling me to use like cheddar and Gouda,
Right?
and the next it's insisting on Gruyere and a pinch of nutmeg. It really makes you wonder, right? Like, which one is the real recipe? Is the AI just guessing?
Exactly. It can feel like the AI is a little moody, a little unpredictable.
Hmm.
1 second, it's this straight-laced professor, and the next, it's a wild creative chef. I mean, it's one of the biggest questions we get. Why can't my AI just give me the same answer?
Well, today we are pulling back the curtain on that exact mystery. And the funny thing is, the answer is surprisingly simple.
Okay.
It all comes down to one little idea, a feature that's often represented by a single word: temperature.
Temperature. Okay, you got to explain that one. We're not talking about the weather, are we?
No, no, not the weather, but the analogy is actually perfect.
Okay.
Think of the AI's temperature setting like a spice dial on your food.
Ooh, I like that. So, what happens when you set the spice dial to, say, mild?
Well, when the temperature is low or mild, the AI plays it very safe.
Hmm.
It looks at all the possible words it could say next and just picks the most obvious, most common number one choice. So the result is a very direct, factual, and consistent answer.
So, okay, low temperature is for when you need a reliable, no nonsense answer,
Right.
like asking it to summarize a business report or fix a line of code. You want consistency, not surprises.
Precisely. But what happens when you turn that spice dial all the way up to extra hot?
Tings get fiery. The AI starts to take risks, right? It looks at its list of possible words and says, you know what? That number one choice is boring. Let's try number 5 or number 7. Let's get creative.
You have hit it on the head. With a high temperature, the AI is encouraged to be adventurous.
Right.
This is how you get poetry, or brainstorm wild marketing slogans, or get 10 different mac and cheese recipes to choose from. It's not a bug, it's a feature that is designed for creativity.
Wow. So this whole time, we've been looking at a trade-off, consistency versus creativity.
Yeah,
You can have a stable, predictable AI, or you can have an inventive, surprising one. And the magic is that you get to choose.
and that's what makes it so simple. You, the user, are in control. I mean, in many AI tools, you can literally find a slider for temperature or randomness. So, next time you need solid facts, you turn it down. If you need a spark of inspiration, turn it up. You are the conductor of the AI orchestra.
Wow.
And telling it whether to play a simple, clean melody or a wild, complex symphony.
I love that. Okay, and here's a fun experiment for everyone listening. Open up your favorite AI tool and ask it, what are 3 fun facts about the ocean? Then open a brand new chat and ask it the exact same question. See what happens.
Yes.
You're witnessing temperature in action.
That is unfortunately all the time we have for today on AI Unlocked. We really hope we've demystified the AI's creative spirit for you.
Join us next time for another deep dive. And until then, here's a question we'd like you to think about.
If your own brain had a temperature dial for creativity,
Ooh.
what is one moment in your day where you would turn it all the way down for focus and one moment where you would turn it all the way up for pure imagination?
Ooh, that's a good one. Ponder on that, everyone. Until next time, stay curious.